Hello students, welcome back. So students, here this is third video, you can say third part of your lesson. You can see on the board the talkative barber. My dear students, we have already studied two parts of the talkative barber in offline as well as through live class. Today, this is the third part of the lesson, the talkative barber. So students, as you know, the barber is very talkative. He came to the palace of a sultan, but he didn't shave the head of sultan. When he started shaving the head of sultan, he started talking also. Why? Because his nature was talkative. He started non-stop talking, so Sultan got angry with him. Afterwards, Sultan called him a talker, chatterer. That is the thing in the first part. Now in the second part of this lesson, you have already got about that Sultan was in a hurry to go out at noon. Why? Because he had an affair of greatest importance. And as you know, dear students, Sultan wanted to give feast to his friends at noon. That's why he was in a hurry. But here the barber didn't finish the shaving of Sultan's head, and Sultan was angry with him. Barber he was talking and talking, and he didn't finish shaving head of Sultan. Now let's see what happens in this third part of the story, the talkative barber. My dear students, please be ready with your textbook. Okay, all of you have textbook. So please, my dear students, you can see on the page number 102. Please, dear students, remember on page number 102, the last para. As you know, dear students, Sultan, he wanted to give feast. Okay, Sultan feast to his friends, and that's why he was in a hurry to go out at noon. Okay, next, when the barber heard the Sultan mention of feast. Listen to me, here feast means you can say meal. Okay, one kind of, you can say, party for giving food, meal. So here, when barber heard the Sultan mention of feast, he exclaimed. Barber spoke that reminds me what barber reminds. Listen to me. So barber says, yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today, but I had quite forgotten it, and I have not made any preparation for that. Okay, so what, dear students, here the barber reminded. Barber reminds that barber had invited 4 or 5 friends to his house today. Okay, please remember, dear students, when the barber reminds when Sultan mentions feast to give his friends, so that a barber speaks that he had invited 4 or 5 friends. My dear, please remember 4 or 5 friends to his home for feast, or you can say for food. But barber says, I had quite forgotten and I have not made any preparation for them. So barber 5 friends at my home for food, but I have forgotten that I haven't made any preparation for them. So Sultan, who was at the mercy of the barber. Listen to me, dear students. When Sultan listens these words by barber, Sultan, who was at the mercy of the barber. Please remember, dear students, mercy. M-E-R-C-Y. Mercy. So you can see the kindness. Mercy means you can say kindness or pity. And the barber was ready to do anything to be rid of them. Please remember, dear students, here the meaning is to be rid of them. What the meaning? To be rid of them. Rid of them. To be rid of them. Who? Okay, please remember here. To be rid of him. Here, as you know, the barber was very talkative. Sultan got angry with him because he started non-stop talking and he finished. You can say he finished only half shave. You can say he did only half shave head of the Sultan, and that's why Sultan was Sultan was very angry with him, and Sultan wanted to become free from this talkative barber. So we just want to be rid of him. To be rid of him, it means to be free. What is called to be free from something? To be free from something. So here, Sultan wanted to get rid of him. Next, you can see here page number on 103. As you can see on page number 103, you will see the picture also. The Sultan is half shaved. Okay, the barber, you can see here students, the barber is doing something with all the foods that was served on the table. You can see everything. Okay, on the page number 103 in your textbook. Now what the barber was doing? Be quick and finish your work, the Sultan replied. The Sultan replied to the barber, be quick and finish your work. Finish your work, it means what? Shave the head properly and finish it quick as soon as possible. Why? Because Sultan was in a hurry to go out at noon. And you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me today. So what? Sultan replied to the barber, be quick and finish your work, and you shall have the food that has been prepared for me today. So when barber heard this thing about food, barber says, please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my friends. Okay. So when barber heard about the food, barber said to the king, please, my master, show me the food so I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends. Sultan says, I have enough food for you. The Sultan exclaimed. Sultan replied to the barber that I have enough food for you. But he ordered that all the food prepared for his feast be brought in. So barber said, all the food that has been prepared for the feast brought in. Okay? Brought in, it means in front of the barber. The barber wanted to see all the food, whatever the food is prepared for the feast. The barber looked over the food and said, so students, as you can see, okay, in the picture on page number 103, you will see the barber is just seeing all the food items, whatever is prepared for the feast. The barber looked over the food and said, this is very good. This is very good. but I shall want some fruit for the dessert also. What? Look, the dear students, what the barber said. Barber said, this is very good, but I shall want some fruit for the dessert also. So my dear students, what you can say? Okay, the another word is dessert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T. So here you can switch this. Sweet dish. What you can say, dear students? A sweet dish. After the switch dish, serve after the main meal. After the main meal. Please, my dear students, remember the barber says, I shall want some fruits for the dessert also. Okay. The Sultan said in this prayer, since his head was half shaved, as you can see, dear students, in the picture, the Sultan's head is half shaved. Okay, the Sultan was in, you can say, this prison. So Sultan ordered his man, the fruits should also be brought in. The fruits should also be brought in. So Sultan ordered his man that the fruits should also be brought in front of the barber, so barber can see all the fruits for the dessert. Next, let's see what happens afterwards. So my dear students, now up to this year you are very clear that okay, Sultan wanted to get rid of the barber anyhow because he was in hurry at noon. Okay, he was in hurry to go out at noon for giving some feast to some important person. So but here when Sultan listened everything about the food, okay, the barber said, I wanted to check all the food, it is enough for the persons or not. When barber saw all the foods, he asked for dessert also. Now let's see what happens. Just here turn on the page, you can see on page number 104. Now you are here, dear students, you can see in the picture. You can see the picture. Can you see? The barber is just tasting each food item. You can see. And the Sultan said is half shaved. The barber left off shaving the Sultan. Listen to me. The barber left off shaving the Sultan. So barber stopped his shaving head of Sultan. Barber left off shaving the Sultan to examine each dish separately. So barber left the work of shaving head of Sultan and he started to examine each dish separately one by one. This took half an hour. So this task, you can see, what kind of task? He was tasting all the dishes one by one, and this activity it took half an hour. Now if you remember, when he started one story, that also lasted for half an hour. So here Sultan was very angry with him. The barber was just only talking and doing another work instead of shaving the head of Sultan. The Sultan stamped his feet impatiently. So Sultan stamped his feet on the floor. The Sultan stamped his feet on the floor impatiently. Now Sultan can't tolerate. The Sultan could not tolerate all these things. He has crossed his limit of impatience. But the barber did not hurry. The barber did not hurry. The barber was busy in his own work. Just he was examining the each dish separately. So at length, however, he again took up the razor. And at last you can see he took up a razor in his hand. But after few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried. So after a few minutes of work, Barber stopped his work and cried, "I never knew that you were so generous." So Barber said to the Sultan, "I never knew that you are so generous." It means why the Sultan helped Barber by giving food also, fruits also. And if you remember, dear students, he gave 3 coins. What kind of coins? Gold coins, okay, to Barber. And that's why Barber told Sultan that I never knew you were so generous, okay. You can say kind and polite. So my dear students, here the story is finished, the topic to Barber, okay. So my dear students, please remember, here the Barber is very talkative, okay. He was called to the palace of Sultan for shaving head of Sultan, but the Barber started shaving the head of Sultan, but he didn't finish half say. You can say half say. But at last, and you can see also at the end of the story, the Barber was given fruits, food, and even gold coin also, gold coins, 3 gold coins. But the head was only half saved. So my dear students, here the story ends. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's see some question answer of the story, the talkative Barber. Students, let's see the question answer of the lesson. I hope all of you understood the lesson very carefully. My dear students, please try to read the lesson carefully and try to understand. Please go through the lesson. It's a very nice chapter, the talkative Barber. All of you know very well, the Barber is very talkative. And that's why Sultan got angry with him. As you know, Barber didn't start shaving head of Sultan and he started non-stop talking. Sultan wanted to get rid of the Barber, and Sultan gave him 3 gold coins, lot of good food, and even the fruits also. So my dear students, let's see the first question of this part, the talkative Barber. Students, as you see here, why did the Barber want a lot of food? Why did the Barber want a lot of food? So students, as you know, Barber had invited 4 or 5 friends to come to his house for food. And if you remember, the Barber forgot that he had not made any preparation for food. So my dear students, the first answer is the Barber wanted a lot of food because he had invited 4 or 5 friends, 4 or 5 friends to come to his house for food. So my dear students, this is the first answer. The Barber wanted a lot of food because he had invited 4 or 5 friends to come to his house for food. And you know very well that he didn't make any preparation for food. So he asked Sultan for food. Okay? Let's see. Second, did the Sultan enjoy the Barber's talk? Why? So my dear students, as you know, Sultan didn't enjoy the Barber's talk. Why? Because he was very talkative and he was just telling story after stories. Okay? And that stories lasted for half an hour. So that's why we can see that Sultan didn't enjoy the barber's job. Why? Because Sultan wants to get rid of him by giving him 3 gold coins. So my dear students, the answer is, you can say answer no. The Sultan did not enjoy, the barber's talk. Because it is because of the Sultan wanted to get rid of him. It is because of the Sultan wanted to get rid of him by giving him 3 gold coins. Yes, 3 gold coins. So my dear students, the answer is here. The Sultan did not enjoy the barber's talk. It is because of the Sultan wanted to get rid of him by giving him 3 gold coins. So this is the second answer, dear students. Okay, I hope you understand, because the Sultan did not want the barber here with him. Why? Because he was very talkative and Sultan got angry with him. That's why Sultan decided, let me give him 3 gold coins and to send him away from the palace. Okay, so this is, you can say, second answer. Let's see the third answer. Why did the barber take so long to shave Sultan? So as you know, the barber was very talkative. So that's the answer, dear student. Please. The barber was very talkative, so it took so long to shave the Sultan. So students, please remember, the barber was very talkative, so he took so long to shave Sultan. Okay. Next, which part of the story did you find the funniest? So dear students, whatever the part you find from the story that it's the funniest for me, whatever the part you like, you can write as per your own understanding. But here, if you remember, when Sultan asked his men to brought all the foods, whatever prepared for the feast, and fruits for the dessert in front of the barber. If you remember, the barber took the razor for shaving Sultan's head. But if you remember, dear student, the Sultan put the razor down and he started to examine each dish separately. So that is the funniest part of the story. So here, it is the funniest part in the story when the barber stops, to shave the Sultan, in between he each dish, to examine each dish separately. So dear student, this is the full answer as for me. As per my understanding, which part of the story did you find the funniest? So students, here it is the funniest part in the story when the barber stopped to shave the sultan in between to examine each dish separately. Okay, and if you remember, dear students, at the end of the story you can see the sultan's head was half shaved by the barber. Okay, why? Because when he saw the foods on the table, okay, he was tempted to check all the dishes one by one. So here, I hope you understand all these four questions. Let's see one more time. Why did the barber want a lot of food? So here you can see the barber wanted a lot of food because he had invited 4 or 5 friends to come to his house for food. Second, did the sultan enjoy the barber store? Why? No, the sultan did not enjoy the barber store. It is because of the sultan wanted to get rid of him by giving him 3 gold coins. Third and fourth, you can see why did the barber take so long to shave sultan? The barber was very talkative, so he took so long to shave the sultan. Which part of the story did you find the funniest? It is the funniest part in the story when the barber stopped to shave the sultan in between to examine each dish separately. So students, here all these 4 questions you can see on the board. I hope you will understand. So please try to write nicely in your notebook and try to prepare carefully this chapter. Okay? So bye.